Hey everyone, Bobby here with bippermedia.com. I want to tell you very quickly about our amazing SEO Authority Boost product. So the Authority Boost product, it's designed to do one thing and one thing in a very powerful way, and that is increase your website's SEO authority so that you can achieve higher rankings in Google search and in Google Maps. Okay, so a couple of common questions that we get. First of all, how does the SEO Authority Boost campaign work? How does it actually build authority? So at a very simple level, we go out and we have a partner network of high authority publications and websites that we use to build backlinks and profiles for your business, and those backlinks point back to your website. Okay. At a very fundamental level, Google search is an algorithm that analyzes backlinks. Okay. So in order for you to compete and rank higher in Google search, you need a very powerful portfolio of high authority backlinks pointing to your website. That's what we do in our SEO Authority Boost campaign. Okay. Another question we get all the time is, how long does it take? Okay, so our Authority Boost campaign, it's a 60-day campaign, okay? And we measure the results. One of the main measurements of results is we use Ahrefs, and we look at what's called your DR score, okay? You can go to our website right now, bippermedia.com. We have a free scan tool. Just enter your website and see the results. What you will see is your SEO authority score. Okay, we see thousands of scores, or we see thousands of scans through that tool each month, and 98% of all the scores that we see are a score of 5 or below. Okay, so back to the timeline. When we start your campaign, in 60 days, what we see, no matter what your score is, if you're a 0, a 1, or a 2, within 60 days, our goal is to get that score up to a 30 plus within that 60-day period. Okay, so an overview of the 60 days. You sign on, you purchase the product, we get started. Within the first 30 days or so is when we are building those backlinks across the publisher network, building these profiles and building those authority backlinks back to your site. That's about the first 30 days or so. Once we build that portfolio, now we need another 30 days for Google to crawl and index all of these backlinks that we built, for Google to crawl and index them and attribute them pointing back to your site. That's why we have found 60-day period is a good time frame for us to get you from, say, a 0 up to a 30 plus. Okay, so that is the overview of the SEO Authority Boost campaign. And again, the number one objective for this Authority Boost is to increase your SEO authority score. One way to think about Google rankings, whether it's Google Maps or Google Organic, no matter what industry or market you're in, as soon as you Google something, the results that are number 1, 2, 3, 4, you can kind of think of that as a ranking or a sorting of authority. Meaning the business who's ranked number 1, they would typically be the one with the highest authority score. Number 2, the second highest, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so as you can imagine, again, we see thousands of scans through that free scan tool that's on our homepage. 98+% are a score of 5 or below. You can imagine, and especially in competitive markets, if you have an authority score of 5 or below, you're probably not very happy with where you're ranking in both Google Maps and Google Organic. And the Authority Boost campaign, this product, is designed to dramatically increase your authority score and in turn give you and power up your business so that you have more power for ranking and competing at the very top of the Google search results. Okay, if you're here on our page, you can go down or to the right, wherever it is, you'll see several screenshots. These are just results of our clients that we've executed these Authority Boost campaigns for. You'll see their starting score, typically a 0, a 1, or a 2 or something, a very low score. And then at the end of 60 days, you'll see their new score, and typically 30 plus. Okay, so that is what this product does. And if you have any questions, schedule a call, reach out to us, and thank you so much.